So, we're in a crawl space. With Taylor! It's tight. But since I have to be here, I thought I would share. To the plumbers of the world, that is not necessarily a great idea on how to hold up a pipe. To the electricians of the world, I think I have a job for you. That wire does not look safe. Ground wire? What ground wire? It doesn't need to go anywhere. See, these pressure tanks, they have bladders in them, and putting them on their side, not the best idea, but in this case, necessary. So, I get it. From copper to PVC, to brass, to CPVC, back to brass, then to schedule 80 PVC, then to schedule 40 PVC. We're just gonna cut all this shit out and start over.
You bunch of